good in there. Whoa! I don't know. They had me fired up there. Huh? I was fired up. Put him in the bucket. Oh. There we go, guys. Not what we're looking for, but we'll take it. Knock the skunk off. He like that green pumpkin lime chartreuse. All right, guys. Happy 4th of July from the creek. Got a big catfish already. Stay tuned. Oh. Damn. It's fired up. Yeah. Oh, got off. Oh, what the heck that thing was? A muskrat? It didn't have a fat tail on it. Looked like a muskrat. That thing was like tail. I guess I got it on the rope. I was like, oh, running out of, coming down through there. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. The bass fish in it. There we go, guys. It's been a minute. There we go, guys. Go, guys. That's what they want. They want that color.
Yeah, I don't have that color.
Huh?
They ain't hitting this what I got.
Oh, that's the last one of them I have. I got some in the truck, but I had 2. Oh man. No, bro. Shoo. There we go, guys. Got another. Oh. Go. Biggin. Shit. Didn't see that coming. That's definitely not good. Yeah, it almost was fired up. See, that's what I want to do to this tackle box. I want to like epoxy a strap onto it. So we got water's going to be up today.
Gotta figure out the flavor of the
Oh, I know it's gonna be. It's gonna be this fire. It's gonna be these fired up whip wads. I might got something for you here, maybe. I got some factory defects. I think I put them in it. Maybe not. Thought I did. I might not have. Oh yeah. You might want to try
Fire.
yeah, because these.
Come here, whip on.
Yeah, so they should be like that.
Yeah.
The tail fin up.
Yeah.
I don't think the fish are gonna care if it's upside down. Get fired up. I think you shook the hook out. There we go, guys. Fire got doubled up, fired up now. Oh, got a fish in it. Oh. There we go, guys. Got a fish in it. Should get hemmed up in the brush here. Oh. There we go, guys. Uh-oh. Got the first fish on the color. Damn, I broke my rod. There we go. Time for retirement. Bass fish. Little bass fish. Oh, this is insane. Oh yeah. These bass in here are fat, that's for sure.